As a math teacher, I thought it'd be a good idea to put an online tool on here that deals with math and some of the frustrations that a lot of math teachers find, which is there's not a lot of math text applications, especially for like websites that are normally used by teachers. For example, quizzes is a very common way to assess students. But the problem is for math teachers, you can't type in complex equations. For example, summation notations. This little e looking thing down here. If I wanted like to put in variables above and below the summation notation like this, you're not going to be able to do that on a normal website. So what this allows us to do here is actually click here to download image, it says. You could actually click that, download the image, and upload that to whatever you want. So whatever that summation notation, I don't know what it would be, x plus 5, we'll just say. You can actually take that picture, download it, and then upload it to something else, whether it's a Word doc if you're making a test or something like that and you don't like to use that math type. This is just another way to be able to do that. And it's all online and it's all free, and it works on any browser. It is new to me, but I could definitely see myself using this in the future, because my purpose, again, is to just take these pictures and use them in other ways, put them in other tools or whatever. But just having that as an image can be very helpful. My intended audience for this would be the other teachers that I work with in the math department. It'd be something good that I could show them and they would be able to use it as well. I think a lot of them would definitely use this. It would not be applicable to students or parents, though. Two ITSE standards that I think this would cover. I did have to reach a little bit on these, but I would say the first one, ITSE Standard 1A, says, ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. Well, I would say this is technology that would help meet the students' learning needs in my math classroom. This technology can be used to put this on, like I said, assessments, or use it for other activities. I can take these equations and put them in. I also believe that ITSE Standard 2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and the impact of learning with technology with other education leaders who want to learn from this work. As I said, I would share this with other people in my department. I think it would really help them out as well, and that's just how I would use that as well. You guys have seen the step-by-step product. I can download that image just to kind of show you what it would look like. If it opens here, there we go. So now what I've got here is, it says it's a GIF, but I guess I would assume that that's just a picture. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. It is called, again, Code Cogs Equations.